Hello everyone, welcome to Immense Imaginations. In today's video, we will write a Java program to reverse a string. This is one of the common questions in testing interviews. So let's get started. Let's create a class. Let's include the main method. First, let's initialize a string. Say s is equal to hello. Okay, now let's create another string, reverse equal to, we will initialize it to blank. Okay, now let's convert our string to a character array. So we have a char class, say ch is equal to s dot to character array. So let's convert our given string into character array. Now let's create a for loop for int a is equal to, we'll iterate in a reverse order to solve this. So it is s dot length minus 1. So I'll explain you why we are saying minus 1. A is greater than or equal to 0, a minus minus. Okay, so we will say reverse is equal to reverse plus character at a. Okay, now let's run this program and check the output. Okay, now let's print this output. We are not printing it. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, we can see that it is reversed. Okay, so now let's run this program in a debug mode to understand the logic. Let's put a debug point here. Debug as Java application. We'll switch the perspective. Okay, so in character array we have hello. Okay, so you can see that the indexes start from 0 to 4. Okay, but when you say the length of this is array is 5. Okay, so when you say s dot length, it is 5. So when you try to read the fifth element, we might get array index out of bound exception. So we are saying length minus 1, so that we will be reading the fourth index. Okay, which is O. Okay, so for int a is equal to s dot length minus 1, which will be your fourth index, and a greater than or equal to 0 and a minus minus. Okay, so now a is 4, reverse is still blank, so now reverse becomes O. So it is adding empty plus the character at fourth index, which is O. Okay, now it will repeat the loop. Now a is 3, it will add L to the reverse variable. It will add O plus L. Again, when a is 2, it will add L to the reverse variable. Okay, now when a is 1, it will add E to the reverse variable. Again, when a is 0, it will add H to the reverse variable. Okay, so finally now we have the reverse string and we will be printing that. Okay, so finally we are printing here. So I hope you are clear about the program. Let's see what happens if you take off this -1. Okay, now let's run as Java application. Okay, so you can see here we are getting array index out of bound exception. Why? Because our index is ranging from 0 to 4, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have only up to 4th index, and s dot length gives us the length of the string, which is 5. We are trying to read the 5th index, which is not present, so it is giving array index out of bound exception. So to read the 4th index, we will have to say length -1, so that it will start from O. Now let's run this program again and check. Okay, the string is reversed. Okay, now let's change to a different string and check. Let's say hello, how are you? Let's save this and run as Java application. Okay, we can see we have the reverse string. I hope you are clear with this logic. If you have any questions, kindly comment them. I'll take a look over it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.